Explore the stainless steel 4-burner propane gas grill with side burner, LED controls, and rotisserie kit. Fire up your outdoor festivities with our grill's 12,000 BTUs and lidded side burner, which equip grillers like you with endless main course and side dish combinations. The cast iron cooking grids offer a large cooking surface with even heat distribution, while our 4 locking nylon wheels keep you anchored and in place during less than ideal outdoor conditions. Our rotisserie kit makes preparing turkey or chicken a breeze. Monument grills take you from starting up to tidying up in no time, equipping you with our pilotless electronic ignition to kickstart your grilling adventure, while also offering an easy access grease trap, sure to ease your mind when cleanup time rolls around, which, if you're a fan of rotisserie chicken or turkey, will more than pay for itself time and time again. Better value, better grilling. Monument Grill.